1-1/4 inch wide lock. Includes 2 brass keys. With vinyl pumper, zinc plated. Nickel-plated steel for corrosion resistance. Bumper casing protects surfaces. Grip-tight tools. Laminated padlocks are high-strength nickel-plated steel bodies with bumper casings makes these locks especially sturdy and corrosion resistant. This padlock is 1-1/4 inch wide and includes 2 brass keys. Top reviews from the United States. I bought this to practice lockpicking. It's not bad. I don't know how it would stand up to the elements over time, but messing around with it for the last week it seems like a solid lock. It's a lot harder to pick than a master lock, so that gives it a better rating than almost any master lock in my opinion.